100 questions guide. Well, 100 questions can sound like an awfully lot of questions, and the first question you have probably is, why should I pay for 100 questions? It's a guide in a form of structured questions you should ask before you engage with the actual building. It will cost you less than an evening out, and I promise you it won't give you any hangover. Why we did that is before the build you should have the full picture of the process, and this is what 100 question guide does. Many of you are not familiar with the nuances in building, and you're probably a specialist of some other area, maybe music, maybe IT. And with this product, we are trying to educate you, to give you the information about that. And you can get the same information actually by hiring a local architect and asking him to go through the whole process. And he probably will do it, but they will charge like $100, $200 per hour for that, and it will take quite some hours. With our product, you will get the same information much faster, and I believe our guide is fastest and best option to get this information outlined for you.